Hi everyone, this is Nitesh Kumar Pandey. In today's video, we are going to learn uh, to print element of the two-dimensional array column-wise in a snack form. Okay, so without wasting any time, I'm just going to make a file name here, and then I will write a problem statement, and then I will write code, and then comment execution of the program. I will do all these things here only. So this is my kindly request to you all. You execute the same steps parallelly with me. You open it and do practice with me. Okay, so I'm going to write a file name here, printing of element printing in snake form, column wise column wise wise in 2D 2D array dot java. Okay, so I have make a file now, and here I am going to write import java.util.scanner. I'm going to import a scanner class to take user input, and here I'm writing psvm, that is public static void main, and here I didn't need to write a scanner is equals to new scanner system.in. This is the object creation for the scanner class, and to take user input, and then I'm writing a message to enter number of rows. Okay, and then here I need to write number of rows, and then I need to take that rows in the variable n sc dot next int. Okay, now I need to write here a message again to take number of enter number of column column column, and then in the variable m I'm going to take the variable column of the array and sc dot next int. Okay, and then I am going to write the creation or creating array of size n into m, that is int arr double braces, then new int n m. Now I have declared an array of size n into m, and then I need to write a message again to take enter n cross m element for the array, and then I am going to take for int I is equals to 0, I less than n, and I plus plus. See guys, I'm taking user input that for element in array. Okay, so I'm using a nested loop, as you already know the basic things. Okay, and here I need to write for a loop again for column for int I is equals to I for int j is equals to 0, j less than m, and then j plus plus, and then here are of I j is equals to sc dot next int. Guys, you can see I have written code for taking row, column, and element of the two-dimensional array. Means if I am giving writing here example, if I am no I am writing example on top of the code. Okay, here I am going to write a comment, like if I am giving input row and column, input row and column I am giving 3, and then array will be 1 2 3 4 5 6 4 5 6, then 7 8 9 7 8 9. Okay, if I am giving these elements for the array, then I want output, control Z, then I want output output array should be like output array should be 147 147. Then this is the snack pattern 147. See the movement of the cursor 147, then 852, and then 769. Then here I need to write 852, and then I need to write 9. No, I need to write 369. 369 147 852 369. This pattern we need to print. Okay, this is these are the our desired output. Okay, so to print this I need to print first the given array of the user. Okay, so I need to write here message to print original array. Okay, so I need to write here shout given given array is okay, given array is for, I'm going to just print copy paste of this. Okay, control V, control C, control C, control V, and here I need to write shout. I need to remove this ln arr of I, and then j with one space, and then one line, so that after printing element in the row, cursor can move in the next row. And then I'm going to write here logic to print element in snack pattern column wise, in snack pattern column wise. Okay, so going to I'm going to write logics, so you can see if we are in the even row, means you already know uh, in two-dimensional array, uh, what we call it, the first row is understand by computer as zeroth row, zeroth column. First, if you are assuming it column 1, means it is for computer it will known as zeroth row, zeroth column, and second column is known as 1. First means first column, and third column known as second column, means it is starting from, it starts counting from 0 to n minus 1. It start in to store element from 0 to n minus 1. If we are giving 5 element, then it will start storing from 0 to 4 only. Okay, so this concept apply here. So I need to think, if we are in the first row, means it is even for computer, it is 0, means it is uh, thinking one as 0. Okay, So we need to think, if we are in the even column, then element of the array starts printing from top to bottom. And if we are in odd column, then starting printing of the element from bottom to top. So this concept, these logics I'm going to write here, using for loop for int j is equals to 0, j less than n, and then j plus plus. J not less than n, j less than m, because j is representing what? Column, and column starts from 0 to m. M is also column. Okay, so I'm adding here a conditional statement. If we are in the first row, means if j is equals to j j modulus 2 equal to 0, means it is what? If it is for if it is even 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 column. Okay, if it is even column, okay, then element will start print from top to bottom. Means I need to write for int I is equals to 0, I less than n, and then I plus plus. Then I need to print shout er of I, and then j with one space. Okay, else is if it is even, if j divisible by 2 is equal to even, means element will print from top to bottom. See, these are the comments. Okay, we are writing so that you will understand the logic what we are applying here. Okay, and else means what? Else means what? If it is not even, means it is what? Odd. Okay, if it is odd, then for loop will traverse from for int I is equals to n minus 1, it will traverse from bottom to top. So I need to write here for int I is equals to n minus 1, I greater than equal to 0, and I minus minus. Okay, and means traversal will happen from element will print from what? Bottom to top. Bottom to top, and it and element will print like system dot out dot print arr of I j with one space, and then okay, done. And here I need to write a line statement. Okay, after printing element in the array, it can cursor can move in into the next row. So that's why we need to write here a line, that is system dot out to print ln. Okay, and then after that I need to write here sc dot close, means we have done the printing of the element, and now we are going to close the scanner class object so that we can free the memory. Okay, now guys, we are done with all these things. Okay, you can see, if we are in the geo column, then element will start printing from top to bottom. If we are in the one column, first row, first column. If we are in the first column, then element will start printing from bottom to top. If we are in second column, it will printing start from top to bottom only. Means if we are in the odd row, then element of the array will start printing from top to bottom. If we are in the even if we are in the odd row, then it will start printing from the bottom to top. These logics we are applying here, just writing if and if else conditions. That is conditional statements. Okay, and we are printing the element of the array using nested loops, and that is elim- under loops. Okay, these are known as nested loops. Okay, as you already know how to print element of the array. Okay, two dimensional array, you already know about basic things to print. Okay, how we can print. Okay, so these are the things I have done with comment. I have mentioned here basics comments. Okay, you can understand. And here it is already know object. These are the scanner class to take user input, and these are the name of the what file, and these are the uh, main method for the Java. These are the main method I'm mentioning here. These are the what object creation for scanner class. These are the scanner class to take user input. Okay, these are the file name. I am writing comment for all lines so that your logic will be clear. Okay, these are the eh, user input like row and column, and then creating array of size n cross m, and here we are taking element for the array. Okay, and here we are printing original array, and then we are printing here what out array element of the array in snake pattern column wise. Okay, column wise, you can understand. And now I'm going to run it. You can see. I need to write here number of rows. I am entering here 3. Number of column I am again entering 3. Enter 9 element for the array. I am entering 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay, and you can see given array is 1 to 3, and element of the array in a snack pattern column wise is 147. You can know, you can see 147, 147, and then 852, 852, and then 369, 369. Okay, so it is working perfectly, guys. And now we will meet in another video. Till then, you have to keep doing dry run, keep doing practicing, and keep doing revise of the previous things. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye.